what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be recording. Yeah, I recorded another video like just right now, and then I thought to record this one, and I took the foot. I took the watch off, yeah, and then now we're about to just play some music. And guys, remember I'm recording on a phone, so it's probably not gonna be the best sound quality, but the speaker is gonna be right here, so hopefully it's the best one. And that was it, pretty much. Let me talk about it. The speaker, lightweight speaker. You can mount it on a pole mount, which I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you. I have a pole DJ mount over there, so put this thing on the table. Wow. Okay, we have my DJ pole mount right here, and let me show you that I'm gonna be setting it up. So it fits perfect, actually. Look. Also because the chair bought. I keep almost falling, but it fits perfect. Yeah. That's all I wanted to say. And that's all I want to say, guys. Bye. See you next on another video. Maybe today or maybe tomorrow, maybe next week. But I'll see you when I upload another video. So like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you'll never miss another video. And bye. See you later tomorrow or next week. Bye.